So I want to choose that innate well-being is quite easy and everybody easy to understand. And the main meaning of this is sometimes I talk about that if we have 10 qualities, 1 negative, 9 positive. Normally I mention this many times. So 1 negative is only the service level. So service level, what we think is the singularity, meaning like they're self-centric. Me, number one, I have to win, others need to lose. What about me? So the egocentric or self-centric singularity. And that's independent that we want to control. We don't want to care